Shelley's love of nature. Critics of Shelley have written extensively about the delightful imagery in the nature poems of the poet. Shelley has a remarkable faculty in molding any beautiful object of nature into diverse forms. Take, for instance, to a skylark. The poem not only breathes the emotional fervor but is marked by a splendor of diction and richness of imagery. The flight and song of the skylark have been described by a variety and succession of brilliant images in rapidly flowing verse. The poet does not know what the bird is or what it is most like. The melody of its song appears to him brighter than the drops of rain falling from a rainbow colored cloud. The invisible bird is like a poet hidden in the light of his own thought, like a hidden glowworm scattering its light among the flowers and grass. It is much more. It is a cloud of fire, an unbodied joy, a star of heaven, and what not. Similarly, in the Ode to the West Wind, the images used by Shelley are frequently delightful in their literal, figurative, and symbolic sense. In this poem, the conceptions of liberty and equality, boldness and power are personified in the wind, tameless and swift and proud, and more particularly in that spirit in nature which both destroys and creates. Clutton-Brock observes, for Shelley, the forces of nature had as much reality as human beings have for us, and he found the same kind of beauty that we find in the beauty of human beings in the great work of art. Shelley's treatment of nature has severely criticized. It is considered that Shelley made nature vague, hazy, and indefinite. It is not a pure artist. He is not a pure artist as Tennyson. Vagueness is inherent in his temperament. He is suggestive rather than pictorial. According to Professor Thompson, he makes bright mischief with the moon. He dances in and out of the gates of heaven. Its floor is littered with his broken fancies. He chases the rolling world. He stands in the lap of patient nature.